Okay, sit down. Sit down. Yes. Ready? Okay, what is it, Charlotte? What is it?
It's a princess.
Whoa, it is beautiful. Why don't you take it out of the box? Whoa. Wow.
Look, Dad.
Wow.
It's your princess dress. You and your princess are going to match.